The PX200 welding machine features stick and lift start DC TIG welding processes. The compact and lightweight design makes it weigh only 15.4 pounds. The carry handle and shoulder strap make the unit easily portable. The PX200's main power switch is on the back panel. On the front panel of the PX200 is an amperage adjustment control, a stick and TIG selector button and indicator light, a thermal overload protection indicator light, a 230 volt and 115 volt input indicator light, as well as a negative weld output 50mm dent style receptacle and a positive weld output 50mm dent style receptacle. The unit operates on either 115 volts or 230 volts AC with the included adapter. The PX200 has a 3-year warranty. While using stick welding, each machine includes a 12-foot weld lead with the Lenco electrode holder and a 50mm dent style connector. It also includes a 10-foot ground lead with the Lenco ground clamp and a 50mm dent style connector. When operating off of 115 volts, it's rated at 130 amps, 40% duty cycle. When operating off of 230 volts, it's rated at 200 amps, 40% duty cycle. An optional PX160 TIG kit package is also available. The PX160 TIG kit package includes a Profax TIGmaster 150 amp 12.5 foot TIG torch, a Profax flow meter regulator, a Profax TIG accessory kit, and a Lenco dent style connector with an 8-foot gas hose. For lift start TIG, we're using the Profax TIGmaster 17 series TIG torch. For more information, please contact your local welding supply distributor and ask for the Profax PX200 welding machine. Also, don't forget to ask for the Profax TIGmaster EWG tungsten electrodes, proven to outperform other electrodes in both DC and AC processes. The optional PX200 bag has 2 large compartments. One compartment holds and protects your PX200 power source. The other compartment holds your weld and ground leads, as well as your TIG torch equipment. It's made of heavy-duty 600D material that resists cuts and tears. It also comes with a heavy-duty shoulder strap, handles, zippers, and a reinforced bottom.